Assalamualaikum, grade 2. This is your mathematics class and I am your teacher, Miss Subia. So students, today I am going to just give you the introduction related to the books, workbook and then some topic. Alright. So see your book. This is your book, Primary Mathematics Book 2. And this is your workbook, Primary Mathematics Book 2A. Alright. You have 2B book, but 2B book we will do in final term and 2A book we will do in first term. Alright. So come to the book content. The chapters which we will inshallah do in this term are the chapter number 1, chapter number 2, 3 and then 4, 5, chapter number 6, 7 and 8. The 8th chapter we will complete it inshallah in this first term and the remaining chapters we will complete it in next term. Alright. So come to the introduction of this class. As you know students, mathematics is based on counting, as in the previous classes you have done counting. And related to the counting, you must know it 100, 1000 like this. So here I have just making you the concept of how 100 make. When you add the 10 tens, it will make 100. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and then 100. Alright. And in the same way, when you talk about the 1000, so when you add it 10, 100, it will make 1000. Alright. Like this, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and then 1000. Actually, this is related to your counting which you have done in the previous classes, but I want to just give you the review. And then you have the place value. The place value table must start from the ones position. Ones, tens, 100. Alright. And when you talk about the ones, tens and 100, so see I have just distinguished with the color. Like red color shows the 300, it means these are the 100 values. 300, it means you can say, or you can write it here like 100. This is your 100. Again you have 100 and again you have 100. So when you counted these are 300. Alright. And here this is the position of tens. So when you count, write it in a position of 10. So you can write it like 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10. So how much? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So in a place of tens you can write 5 because when you count it, it will become 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Now come to the ones. When you talk about the ones, it is the position of 1 or you can say 1. So how 1, 1? It will become 2. So this is your place value table. So you must know the start the place value chart with the ones position and then tens and then 100. Now come to the book. So book on page number, we are going to start as 2 page number 2. Here again they are showing you the first chapter which is related to the, first chapter is related to the number 2000. Alright. See these jars are they are showing you the 100. It means the jelly beans in the jars are 100. Okay. So when you count it, how many jars are there? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and then 1000 means 1000. Alright. So they are just showing you the how you will just count it, because so many like you are not going to count it like one jar then 100 and then like this that you have done in the previous classes. And then just showing you 100, 100 in the same way. Now come to the page number 4. Page number 4, they are just giving you the examples of how many hundreds are there in this. How many count it in one's position from 200 like this. Actually the boxes which they are showing you here are 100 boxes like. So 2 boxes are there, so they are writing 100 and then 200, and then they are showing you the ones position. Ones position, how many are there? 1 2 3 4. So they are just going to write it here 204. All right. In the same way, again they are showing you how many are there when you are counting. Again you have like 100 boxes. These the 2 bars are there, so you know it 200 they have written. But here when you count it here, these are actually 10. Okay, when you counted these are the position of the tens. So now they are showing you 210 because then 220 and then 230 because these are 3. 1, 2 and 3. So they are writing in the position of 10, 3. Alright. So count it on this on tens position, and here they are counted on ones position. On from 200 because 200 they are just showing you. So in this way you can do the part 4 by yourself inshallah, and we will meet inshallah in next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.